everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. I have a unbagging today from Florida, so this may be the rest of my Disney haul from the Character Warehouse and the personal shopper Melissa. So we'll see what I got here. Alright, if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. Make sure that you hit the bell to be notified every time I upload videos. And when I reach 500 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. So make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out. Okay, got my blade. Came in a bag like that. So let me see here if this is the rest of my Disney order. She had to send it in two things because when they send from the States to Canada, it's very expensive for shipping, which is really crazy. Okay, let's see what this is here. Okay. I wonder what this is, because it doesn't look like anything that I ordered. Oh yeah, it is. Ah! Okay, this isn't even for me. This is my husband's surprise.
Oh God.
Ah! All right, so he finally got something. So here you go, honey.
Yeah, finally.
I got him this surprise here for his birthday.
Here,
But it came late. It came late, but it's better than nothing. Because I thought, that's kind of strange that I don't think it's my Disney haul because she just shipped it. So it doesn't go that quick. Alright, so I'll give these to Ted and he'll appreciate that. Alright, so that's my unbagging from today, and I hope everybody's having a great day. Until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. And what a surprise for my husband. He's gonna love it. Thanks again. Bye now.
pair of socks.